everybody, my name is James Earnshaw. I'm Wella's UK and Army craft expert, and this is how to create a caramel balayage on curly hair. My top 3 tips when colouring curly hair are to make sure you take your sections and weaves chunkier than because you lose definition of colour within the curl. Another tip is to make sure with your developer, always go slower and lower with your lightener to keep the integrity of the curl pattern. My third one is when you're applying a toner to make sure you use the palm of your hands and to not drag the curl down as you work with the toner. That will keep the curls looking bouncy and fresh when it's coloured. Full formula breakdown and a step-by-step, check the comments below. If you want to see more videos like this one, be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to the Wella Professionals YouTube channel.